A lot of people tell me to get another dog. Yeah, I mean, I really want to, but I'm not ready yet. It's not that my heart is not ready. It is money and time. I mean, my heart is ready to have another family member, but the situation I'm in is not ready. So what I mean is, I have a full-time job. I'm working on my videos whenever I have time. So I don't have much time for pet at the moment, unfortunately. This is one of my goals. I can make a living out of this social media video work. That means I can work full-time at home, not somewhere else. Then I will have enough time for pet. There's another way. If I'm really busy, then I wanna have at least two dogs so they can be together all the time. They're not being so lonely. But unfortunately, I can't afford it at the moment. So my answer is no, not yet. But one day, yes, I will. Because I know how much joy, love they bring into house. I mean, they're amazing, these little animals. So I'm not gonna bring a life into my house until I can be fully responsible for this. Yeah, I mean, imagine if I have a dog here, little dog always looking for attention. I pet him, pet or her, give a hug. It would be amazing, it would be nice. But I am not ready yet. When Chobar was here, yeah, I felt really bad for him because I neglected him for a while, very long time. Even after I decided to take care of him, to be honest, I was lazy sometimes because I was too tired mentally, physically. Every day I talk to myself, you gotta take care of him, you gotta take him outside, you gotta take him somewhere else to show something, or give him some better food, cook some food for him, whatever. Like many things. I talk to myself a lot, like very often. I feel like I did only 50% of what I wanted to do for him. Yeah, and after he's gone, yeah, I regret a lot. Doubt about having a dog, how much responsibility I have to have a dog. This is not light, it's very heavy duty. He didn't choose me. I chose him. I brought him into my house. So in the future, if I have another dog, I want to give him the best life ever. Yeah, this is from my experience. Yeah, I learned a lot. Chobar was my first dog. I didn't know about dogs so much. I still don't know. Yeah, what I've learned is they could be very lonely. If the owner is very busy, they are tired, they have no time, then they could be very lonely. I don't want another dog to feel that. I don't know. I just thought about this, and actually I went to PetSmart. They are doing adoption, cat adoption. I just wanted to see if I want to have one. Yeah, because I heard about cat. They take care of themselves, less maintenance than dog. It could be really good emotional support. Same. I think I don't want to have it for the same reason. My friend has cat. She's very friendly. If I have a cat in the future, I want the cat who friendly. Yeah, anyways, nothing serious. By the way, this is the foot massager my wife sent. This is third time I'm using this. I just put my feet in hot water. I was like, it's not helping anything. But after finish it, somehow my body very relaxed. I don't know, it feels good. 아이고. Good night. 와. 좋아요. 물 버리고.